boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to do a top knot ninja bun with a French bang using braiding hair. So as you all see, my hair is freshly washed. I'm just going to go ahead and brush it to just get all of my kinks out. Then I'm going to follow by with using my Shea Moisture Argan Oil. So I always like to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized, especially when I'm doing protective styles. I don't want to make sure that my hair is dry. So I did get this from Target, but I'm sure you can order it from the Shea Moisture website. So once I get my hair nice and moisturized, I always love to use my favorite edge control to lay down my hair. So you already know what I'm coming with, the 24-hour edge tamer. This is my favorite edge control, especially when I'm doing ponytails or any protective style that does not require me to use heat. So I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair and just slightly apply the edge control. So stay tuned. So you all see that I am applying my edge control. I do recommend anytime you use this method that you apply oil immediately after. This will help with your hair not being flaky or, you know, not looking white. You want it to be moisturized, you want it to look glossy, you want to, you know, you just want your hair to be laid. So I highly recommend that you do that. Anytime you are doing a ninja bun, usually the buns are like right on top of the hair. So as you all see, I am brushing my hair with my hard brush, and I'm just consistently trying to make sure that everything is laying down nice and neat. So once I get the ponytail or the bun that I feel is like in the right spot that works for me, I then go and use my scrunchie and I just put my hair in a bun nice and neat. So now that we have everything laid down, the braiding hair that I'll be using is the Freetress braiding hair. The color is 1B and the inches is 18 inches. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do, of course, is take it out of the pack. It already has a rubber band attached, so I'm just going to use the remaining rubber band that is left out. I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around my head. So once I do that, it's two sections. I'm going to put one section in the front and clip one section in the back. So since we are doing a French bang, you want to try to make this hair look as realistic as possible. So as you all see, I'm just teasing the hair a little bit so that it can fit. And all I'm literally going to do is I'm going to put a bobby pin on the left, a really big bobby pin, and I'm going to put it on the left and I'm going to put one on the right. So this helps to keep it in place for me to fix my bangs. So now that we have the bang that we desire, I'm going to twist the rest of the hair and I'm going to put a rubber band around it to try to shape the hair. So don't worry about the piece that is still hanging. We're trying to shape the hair. So I think I use about 3 rubber bands. We don't know yet. But anyway, this is the first rubber band and I think I'm going to use another rubber band. And then I'm going to follow by using bobby pins. But I want to twist the remainder hair that I had sectioned off to give it that ninja bun look. So this is kind of like a trial and error type of thing. You definitely want to shape the bun to your liking and make sure that it's comfortable. So don't add too many bobby pins and don't add too little bobby pins to the point where you don't know if it's a bun or a ponytail. You know, we want this to be a bun. So as you guys see, I'm placing a few bobby pins, and as you see, it's starting to come together. I like this shape. I think I'm going to leave it how it is. But I do want to let you know that I do take out that left and right bobby pin that helped me shape my bang. So as you all see, the bun and the bang are coming together nicely. You want to get you some scissors so you can shape the bang. So anytime you do a fringe bang, you want to cut in a downward motion. You don't want to cut in a straight line or else you'll give it a blunt cut feel. If that's the vibe that you're going for, I highly recommend that you do that. But if you want it to look realistic, then just continue to cut in a downward motion. So y'all, I was feeling myself and I swore up and down I was so cute until I grabbed these flat irons. Sis really did a number on this hair using the Remington. My flat irons were too hot. Look at that. I'm gonna slow it down for y'all. Look at my face. You can tell I was pissed when I realized that my flat irons were way too hot. Point of the matter is, make sure I'm sorry, this part of the video is funny to me. But moving along, you want to make sure that your flat irons are not hot. Like, you want it to be warm. And just in case you mess up your bang, all you have to do is readjust the bang. That is one thing that I really love about this hairstyle, is that all you have to do is pull the hair down. Continue to pull it down until, you know, you get that fried stuff out of your face. And then you just have to reshape it again. So we're going to try this. This is test number 2. Now I have laid the hair down again. As you see, it's a little difficult. So now I'm just going to go ahead and chop off the pieces that I accidentally burnt. I mean, this is trial and error. I think this is helpful for y'all and funny. So I'm going to continue to cut. And now instead of using my Remington, I believe these are the red flat irons. Like, they're like ceramic. And boom, we did it. We did it. This is better. So I suggest if you have ceramic flat irons, use ceramic flat irons. Do not use titanium flat irons. I don't know what I was thinking, but I hope this is useful for when you try this hairstyle. Like, look, it just looks so much better. It's laid, it's good, like, boom. And all you have to do is shape it. So you want to flat iron it and you just want to shape it and watch everything come together.
I could say anything to our
So here is what the finished product looks like. I went ahead and I got me some chopsticks. I put on a little dress and I got me a cute fan just to set off this look. I was inspired by this look from Instagram. I hope you are inspired to do this hairstyle. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. I hope to see you next time, and I love you. Goodbye.